Hey guys, today I want to show you my air-powered cutting machine, built using a Raspberry Pi and an Arduino. The graphic interface on the monitor was created in Java and uploaded to the Raspberry Pi. As you can see, we can enter the number of pieces and also the length. For the length measurement, I used a stepper motor, and that allows me to define a specific number of millimeters for each step. For the cutting system, I used a small pneumatic cylinder running at around 8 bars, combined with a simple utility knife blade. I also built the whole machine using various recycled and leftover materials. I also added a system with a photoresistor and a laser connected to the Arduino. When the sleeve runs out, the beam is interrupted. The machine stops automatically, and it also sends a stop signal to the Raspberry Pi. At the top right, I also added 2 buttons to load the sleeve manually. It was a really fun project, but I ran into several challenges. I had issues with the Java side and the communication with the Arduino, not to mention the graphical interface, which took me quite a while to get right. I also had problems with the relay causing voltage spikes that kept crashing the Arduino, but I solved it by adding an RC script. This was one of my projects, and I wanted to share it with you. If you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel and leave a like. Thank you.